Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. This is the canteen at Phortse Tanga. This is our breakfast. And these are the animals. Hey guys, so it is 9 AM now and we are starting from Phortse Tanga. All over Phortse Tanga, what you do is pay for the food you eat and the stay is free. But for charging your phones, you need to pay money as well. So be aware, if you are charging your stuff here, you pay extra for that. Just behind the River Resort Hotel where we stayed, this is the way we need to hike towards Machermo. So we were sleeping somewhere there in the river resort, and there you can see the beautiful peaks, snow clouded mountains, and this place where we stayed is completely surrounded by mountains on all the four sides. So we have a beautiful message here. Have a nice your journey. So whoever wrote this, I would like to say thank you, your wishes. So just after 10 minutes of Phortse Tanga, we have this checkpost which is called as Dhole checkpoint, where you need to submit your permits. In Namchi, the mineral water costed us 100 NPR per bottle, whereas in Phortse Tanga it was 250. So you can imagine, the way the altitude is increasing, the price of food and water keeps increasing. We are at Dhole now, 4,110 meters, and from here Machermo is 3 hours. This is a tiny beautiful village of Dhole. These are some of the stay options that you have in Dhole. It's 11:30, we are in Dhole now and we are going to have some food here. We are going to eat something and then start towards Machermo, which is another 3 hours from here. Here we have a gentleman who has climbed Everest 5 times. That's Dhole village from where we started just now after our lunch. It has been pretty steep climb. So we will be climbing at least 250 meters more. This is what is called as a Chortan Stupa. On the way to Machermo, you'll be crossing such 3 to 4 of Chortan Stupas. After an hour from Dhole, we have arrived at La Farma. The view around is really amazing. So from Dhole till La Farma, it's complete steep ascent, and you have to catch your breath and take small and easy steps to come. After crossing La Farma, we had to go for a steep ascent a little bit, but after that you see we have a nice traverse which is a flat one, and it should be little bit relaxing to do. It's 4 p.m, very cloudy and windy, and that is the Machermo village at an elevation of 4,500 meter. This is the room, 100 NPR per person. It's quite neat and clean. Morning from Machermo. It's 7:15 now. We are waiting for our food. How was the night, guys?
It was awesome, and it was
Very cold?
very cold.
So it was damn cold. The whole night we could not sleep that well because of the altitude as well as cold. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning today. We have beautiful sun. This is where we stayed for the night. If you like the video, please do share, subscribe to the channel.